Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Smylie, is that a true and accurate representation of what you recall once you got home that afternoon?
Yes.
Okay. Who was that screaming that we heard on the video?
That was Carly screaming, and you heard me holler, "What's the matter?"
And what about seeing Carly made you ask her what was wrong?
I could immediately tell that something was bad wrong with Carly. Just screaming, her eyes were just huge. Looked like she was terrified.
Have you ever heard Carly scream like that before?
No.
Have you ever seen Carly look as terrified as she did on March 19th before?
No.
Would Carly have any reason to run from you?
No.
Mr. Smylie, can you describe the full floor plan at your house?
I guess it's what you call a split, and it's got kind of on the north end, it's a master bedroom, bath, and closet. Living room and kitchen kind of in the middle, and then on the other end there's two smaller bedrooms that share a bathroom in between the two.
And where was Carly's bedroom?
It was on the southeast end of the house.
And
corner.
you mentioned that there was where Carly's bedroom was, there was also a bathroom and another room.
Yes.
What did you use that other bedroom for?
A lot of just general storage stuff, and had some weights, and there's a little treadmill in there.
Kind of what we call like a junk room.
Yeah, a lot of junk in the closet on a shelf and laying around. And
Okay. And is there a hallway that separates the kitchen and the living room from that side of the house?
yes.
Okay. And where was the indoor camera located?
It was in the corner of the kitchen / dining room open area.
Okay. And is the kitchen, living room area of your house, is that open?
Yes.
Okay. And let me ask you this. How would you describe your and Ashley's marriage?
We got along great. I don't guess we ever really had anything we just disagreed on or anything.
And were you still in your honeymoon phase?
Yeah.
And just for the record, you can't nod. You have to answer yes or no for the
yes.
court reporter.
Yes, I'm sorry.
And what, if anything, had Carly told you about her biological dad, Kevin Gregg, doing drugs?
Everyone that I can think of, it sounds like he has either tried or does regularly.
And what did her biological dad doing drugs in her presence?
He was constantly doing drugs in front of her, blowing smoke in her face. Turns out that he sat her down and made her drink an entire beer when she was 12.
And what, if anything, had Carly told you about her dad offering her drugs during her visitation periods?
Not sure on that, but I think she said they were laying around all over the place throughout his house, and I think he had tried to get her to do some various things at one point or another.
And